Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Flux AI, which launched on the 2nd of November at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this latest new release from Team Black Belt, which teaches you, or rather gives you the tools to be able to perform a secret YouTube hack that lets you generate unlimited free buyer traffic on demand in just 57 seconds. So it's essentially a set of tools that enables you to do lots of money generating things with YouTube videos, either your own YouTube videos or indeed other people's YouTube videos that are on the system. I've also put together a big bundle of bonuses to go with this, with lots of concurrent products that will help you with Flux AI. So if you like the sound of that, if you like the sound of what this does, then listen onto this review video. We will also go through those bonuses which you can get by clicking on any of these green buttons here anytime before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. Obviously I don't want that to happen because they are exclusive bonuses that you can only get from me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Flux AI, because you can always come back to this YouTube video when you realize my bonuses are more helpful than anything else that's out there. So we will have a look at the sales page. We will have a look inside the members area at Flux AI. There it is. And we'll also have a look at the upsells. Now this says that the front end price is $17. It's actually $12.95 at the moment. That's the price on the sales page, so you can ignore that right now. Okay, so let's have a look at this sales page. The ultimate AI hack uses multiple AI languages like ChatGPT 4.0, Google Gemini Ultra Advanced, DALL-E HD, Whisper AI Text-to-Speech, Midjourney Mega, Microsoft Copilot Pro, Leonardo AI Pro, Meta Llama 3.1 and others to generate unlimited free buyer traffic on demand in just 57 seconds. Team Black Belt are making currently over $400 an hour with this system. It's a detailed sales page which we'll come back to in a moment, but first let's just deal with these bonuses. So when you click on the link below, you'll come through to this bonus page here. This video that I'm recording will appear in this space here. What is Flux AI about? Well, it will enable you to save thousands of dollars on traffic and marketing tools. You can make up to $222 per hour like many affiliates. You can get targeted traffic and skyrocket your conversions. You can get an avalanche of sales with any product, and you can finally see the light in the end of the tunnel for making money online. And there's a demo video of Flux AI in operation which you can watch there. This video is also on the sales page. What am I going to throw in? Well, firstly, my own ChatGPT product, Time for Chat, which came out last year and shows you 15 different ways that you can make money for free using ChatGPT. The Super Shakedown, Inside Secrets of Super Affiliates. I've not given this one away for quite a while, so I'm including that. The Tiger Report is my detailed report in how you can make money online during difficult market conditions like we've seen over the last couple of years, compared with you know, the peak during lockdown. Things really improved dramatically for our industry, because obviously everyone was furloughed or on schemes keeping them away from the workplace because of COVID, so they were looking to make money online. There was a boom for our industry during that period, which has tailed off subsequently as people have gone back to work. This is showing you how you can still succeed in these more challenging conditions. Web Profits Club, this is actually a silver membership of Web Profits Club. Everything you need to know about making money online. If you go to webprofitsclub.com right now, you will see that membership of this club costs $97. I'm giving it to you. Silver membership, completely free of charge. Wombat Wealth Beta Access, one of my products that shows you how to make regular monthly income. Call to Action, a great product here with including free insider coaching. Gives you 15 powerful calls to action to use in your business to get more clicks, sales and more cash. Essential Emails is my flagship email marketing course. YouTube Velocity is another way, along with this product, that you can boost your returns from YouTube. And Affiliate Launch Profits is yet another package that will enable you to make money online. So you can see there, folks, a whole load of additional bonuses for you if you pick up Flux AI from my link. So we have a quick look at the sales video, at the sales page. The video's there. This gives you some of the highlights here. You can copy and paste any YouTube URL or prompt to get traffic. You can generate unlimited free buyer traffic, get free followers and subscribers daily, send traffic to any offer, page or link. You can set it up in under a minute. No face recording or no video skills needed on your behalf. Turn any YouTube video URL into a brand new original video. Turn it into any limitless blog articles. Turn it into limitless X posts. That's Twitter posts for those that don't know the new name of X. Turn any YouTube URL into newsletters, into transcripts, inbuilt custom prompt automation. It works in multiple languages and niches, includes support, no monthly fees, create recurring income streams. Anyone can do this, and there's a free commercial license for early adopters and a 365-day money-back guarantee. As you can see on the sales page, despite what it said on that document, the price is actually lowered today to $12.95 front end. It's not $17 anymore. Now, it is quite a lengthy sales page, so I will let you go through that at your own leisure, but it gives you lots of examples of different things that you can do with Flux AI. So do have a good look through there at all of the sales page. And it also is going to include some additional bonuses as well. Fast action bonuses, let's just go through those. So these are additional bonuses on top of the ones that I'm providing you with in my package. Done for you videos is fast action bonuses. Grab your hands on our done for you videos, ready to skyrocket your business and sales. Simple sales copy software. Action bonus 3, Snap Video Pro software. Action bonus 4, make $200 a day with video. Action bonus 5, YouTube saturation. Bonus 6, video creation scientist. Action bonus 7, freelance expert. Bonus 8, content curation mistakes. So all of those are included, and if you're one of the first 250 buyers, you'll also get a free reseller license. So in other words, free reseller rights. So that is pretty much the sales page, folks. Let's have a look in the members area. So it's a very easy to use interface, depending on what you're wanting to do. So for example, if you're wanting to take a YouTube video and turn it into a newsletter that's email out to an email list or any other use of a newsletter that you want to, then obviously you would click on this button and so on. For the training, by the way, obviously this is the main interface, but for training on how to use any of this, you just come down here and click on training, and that will take you to where you can view all of the trainings for doing the different functions. Just click on any of the YouTube videos for detailed instructions on how to perform any of that. Your bonuses you can access by clicking the bonus button there, and go back to the main dashboard. You just click that button there and that takes you back to the main dashboard where you can perform any of these tasks. Now, in terms of the upsells for this product, as I said, the front end is currently $12.95. It's not the $17 that's listed there. The first upsell is Flux Unlimited version, everything is unlimited. Also, all watermarks are removed, and you get an unlimited reseller license if you weren't already one of the first 250 people to pick this up, which would have got that included. But if you're not, then you can pick it up anyway as part of this unlimited, which is $39. Flux AI Done For You, which is $39 as well. That's the second upsell. It includes Done For You ready to sell websites, Done For You evergreen affiliate campaigns, Done For You automated campaigns, CPA campaigns, social media promos, email campaigns, engagement posts, squeeze pages, and traffic. Automation, which is $39, that's the OTO3. That includes an all-in-one marketing suite, automated social media sharing, full analytics, and an outsourcer's license. Upsell number 4 is AI Done For You sites, which includes unlimited real backlinks and free buyer traffic, and enables you to rank your site on top of Google, Yahoo, and Bing. That's $39. Flux AI Platinum, which is $39, includes one click to get your own audio book or podcast. All you need is a text file. 10,000 plus are included with the package. Ready to sell audio books with full PLR included. That gives you the idea of that's included. AI Diamond, which is $49, enables you with one click to create your own affiliate tool site. Big niche, $56 billion a year niche. Free and autopilot traffic. Millions of people use these tools. Reseller rights on their own, if you just want reseller rights, it's $197. I wouldn't recommend that because you can get them as part of the $39 OTO1 package, so not quite sure why they're selling that separately really, but ignore that one. OTO $897, O3 advanced training modules, Instagram traffic training, 5-figure product creation, Google Ads advanced training, and OTO 9, the final upsell, is an AI link cloaker, a strong link cloaking system which bypasses Google and Facebook smartly. So have a look at all of those individual sales pages. All of them have got some merit except for this OTO 7 AI reseller rights, which I'd tell you to avoid. So if you want to pick this up and get all of my bonuses, obviously you have to click any of these green buttons here anytime before the countdown timer reaches 0. You will get my bonuses by going to your Warrior Plus account, clicking on the green button to access your purchase to get into Flux AI, and then clicking on this blue separate button to access my affiliate bonuses. And to get the bonuses from the main product, obviously you go to bonus there in your members area. So that's pretty much it, folks. I'm going to give this 4 stars on the Elite Tigers Group rating, so 4 stars out of 5. And all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching this YouTube video, this review. If you've enjoyed it, please do click on the subscribe button underneath, and also click on the bell icon so that you get informed whenever I bring out new content on the channel. So until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Flux AI.